Amelia. I'm 27 and I live in Spain. Some months ago, I finished my degree in communication studies, so I got this enthusiastic move of looking for a job. Checking websites every morning, moving around, making contacts. I think I'm a person who enjoys being active. I like to do many different things. For example, I can try many jobs here. Let's practice math being a broker in the stock market. Put some risky injections to innocent patients as a nurse. Cook delicious food from all around the world. Or maybe collect the ingredients literally from the field. I can be classy in the piano or rock the world with a guitar, play with colors over walls, or have a daily job in the office. I can be a bartender, a paper girl, sales lady, dog walker, carpenter, or work in a grocery shop. That was exhausting! But I think there is something missing. My inner side is asking me to move around as a bear